Hi, I'm Garner, your local Telford estate agent, and today you join me in Lightmoor Village. We're at this beautiful, modern, three-bed detached property. We've got off-road parking for at least 2 cars. It's double fronted. We've got lounge on the one side, kitchen diner on the other side, downstairs WC. It's had an upgraded kitchen with all the built-in appliances that you could need, including the dishwasher. Upstairs, we've got 3 really good-sized bedrooms, family bathroom, and an ensuite to bedroom 1. You really do need to have a look around this. It's in a great location, very peaceful, and we're close to good schools and local amenities. So follow me, let's get you inside, let you have a look around. Okay guys, well that's it. You've seen around this 3-bed detached property in Lightmoor Village. I hope you agree. It's a stunning property. It's been looked after really well, and those upgrades in the kitchen just make life a lot easier for you when you're cooking and trying to entertain with family and friends. So if you are interested in arranging a viewing on this property, reach out to me on any of the social media channels that you found this video on, or you can call or text on 077 89 647 226. Well, that's it from me guys. I'll see you on the next video. See you soon.